Okay, so welcome back. So if you're watching this video, then you've probably just completed this block of exercises of the version control with Git addendum, and now we are going for something intermediate. So just quick recap of this last paragraph here. So for the B2Git training space, we could simply do a change, commit, and then push directly to the remote version. For the B2Git training space 2, we cannot do that. So you can do the exact same thing, create a new file, put some text in it, you do git add, git commit, everything works fine. But if you push, you will get an error message saying that your push was rejected. So please don't do that, because else you'll have to first revert that, and this will probably cost you some more time because you need to learn how to do that. So instead, we work on a branch right away. And for that, we recommended you to try out LearnGit branching. So we can go there. It looks like that. It's really fun. It's absolutely interactive. So you should at least do this introduction sequence here, those 4 levels. You go there and you see that there's always a bunch of text, which walks you through it in a really visual manner. And you always see this diagram on the right. And on the left, you can type your commands. So highly recommended. Please do it. Come back once you did that, which should be now. So we'll do this exercise together. We already have this repository, B2Git training space 2. So let's change there. Can do an ls to see what's in there. We can also do a git pull just to make sure we're up to date. And now we should go to a new branch. So what we can do is do git branch my new branch 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so no reply, and the important thing is you still haven't changed to that branch. So you've created a new branch now. You still need to check it out. So git check out, and then my new branch 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you get this message, switch to branch, my new branch 1, 2, 3, 4. There's also an option to do that both in one go, which is git checkout -b. So this will create a new branch and check it out all in one line. But we did it in 2 steps now. Okay, so you see we're on this new branch, and now we do some change. Working from new branch.txt. This time, different way to add text to that. Good. So you see if you run git status that we now have a new text file. We can add it. We can commit it. And our status shows that we're clean again. And if you hit git log, you see that our commit is in here. But it's not yet on this B2Git training space 2. So if you refresh the page, nothing happened here, because we haven't pushed yet. So we want to push now this new branch to the remote, but we need to tell it kind of what name to give to this remote branch. So for this, you probably will need the, no, it's actually, so we've actually completed this first exercise, sorry. So if you go to the hints, we first did git pull, then we did something with branch, checkout, add, and commit, and the solution showed all of that. Now in order to push, you need this set upstream thingy here. And you also need to give it the name of the remote, which is origin in this case, which is the default. So you can just copy paste that and add the name of your branch here. Let's do that. And you get quite a lot of text here. So first you have the normal thing, which is just pushing something. And then it already provides you with the link to create a pull request. So in order to get the changes into the main branch. But before we do that, we can actually look here. Again, we see there's no new commit here. What we can do is take a look at the branches here, and we find our my new branch 1, 2, 3, 4. And we could, if we click there, we can also directly get through this pull request page, and you can see a difference of everything that's added. So you can also go to this page if you just click on this link here, which was printed in the terminal. Either way, we go click create pull request. We can add some description here, and now you'd have to add me as a reviewer or someone else. So for example, Martin here, and click create. Okay, and now you see this header here. You see the difference here, which is just that one file. You see the commits, so there could be multiple commits here. We can try to click merge, but nothing will happen because you need this one more approval. Okay, and now you basically normally would have to wait a lot and press F5 or refresh the page until you see something like this. Someone has approved your pull request. So it was actually the person you made reviewer. There can happen a couple of more things. There can be comments. So you can also leave a comment yourself, like so. You can create a task. So do this. Add proper description, whatever. If you go back to the overview, you can see your comment here. And you also see that even though everyone has it approved, now we cannot click on merge. And if you click there, you'll also see the reason. All tasks must be complete before the pull request can be merged. So this can come in quite handy. Either way, you do what they ask. For example, we can also add a proper description for our pull request by going here for edit. We save. We click this and do this. And now you see that we can finally click on merge. So we do that. Get another small dialog. You should click this here, delete source branch after merging. So because we have no use for this branch anymore, you will probably not push any more commits to it. So you can just remove it and you click on merge. And you see one more confirmation. And now if we go to the repository again, sorry, here, you see our new file here. And you also see when you go to the commits, you see a merge commit. So that's when we merged. And you see this commit where we actually added the text file. So that's it for this small test repository here. So there will be at least one more video where we walk you through creating a pull request for the real software, so the big software repository of ours, where things will be a little bit more complicated on the setting up your software and everything side. But as far as this procedure of creating a new branch, pushing it, creating a pull request, waiting for people to approve is going, it will be pretty much the same thing.